Hey, it's Neil from Toronto Condos here. One of the most common questions I get asked is, Neil, are pre-construction condos expensive? Well, good question, and the question is relative. Yes, they are expensive if you don't have money saved or you have no access to leveraged funds. Simple. If you are somebody who is actively looking for a pre-construction condo, you have savings, and you do have access to leveraged funds, my answer to this question is, are pre-construction condos expensive? No, they're not. And here's why. The media has really hyped up the increase in cost per square footage in Toronto. They've been talking about, the prices are rising, the cost per square foot is over $1,000 per square foot, it keeps on rising. Well, newsflash media, depending upon certain areas that you buy in Toronto now, your cost per square foot is $1,900, your cost per square foot could be $2,500. So we've well passed the $1,000 per square foot. As a savvy person, as a savvy investor, or just somebody who's just simply doing their research, what you have to do is you have to look for value. You have to buy right now in areas where you can purchase pre-construction units for under $1,000 per square foot, at $1,000 per square foot, or slightly above $1,000 per square foot. And the reason is that's where we're going to see the greatest growth in value. So from a high level, no pre-construction condos are not expensive. You have to do your research, you have to do your due diligence, and if budget is something that's important to you, if you're looking for value, where can I buy the best condo in the best location and not overpay, then you do have to target projects where you can purchase for under $1,000 per square foot, at $1,000 per square foot, or slightly over $1,000 per square foot, because like I said, that's where you're going to see the greatest growth as our market continues to skyrocket. And we all know, if we're doing our homework and research, that our market is going to continue to skyrocket because we are lagging behind Vancouver, Hong Kong, Shanghai, other world-class cities. We're behind in the cost per square foot. We have immigration happening in the greater Toronto area. So the reality is that we're going to have more and more people coming, and there's going to be a supply and demand issue, and that's going to continue to drive up prices. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out anytime. You can reach me via text, phone call, or email. I'll leave my info above and below. And again, are pre-construction condos expensive? No. Buy smart. Buy at, below, or slightly above $1,000 per square foot. Bye for now.